In the November Autumn Statement, it was announced that both the nil rate band and the residence nil rate band will remain frozen until at least April 2028. For many, their most valuable asset is the family home, and with rising property values, the frozen nil rate bands means that more and more individuals have been brought into the inheritance tax net in recent years. With this in mind, inheritance tax planning has become increasingly important for many individuals and is likely to remain so over the course of the next few years. So, what planning options are available? Well, there are numerous inheritance tax exemptions that individuals can use. For example, the annual exemption. Each individual can give away £3,000 each year and make use of the previous year's exemption if not already used, provided the whole of the current year's exemption is used first. Therefore, if this has not been used, now is the time to act. Someone who has made use of this annual exemption over, say, 20 years would have gifted £60,000 free of inheritance tax, potentially saving £24,000 in tax. The small gifts exemption is also available, where gifts up to £250 can be given to any number of individuals. However, remember that this exemption cannot be combined with any other exemption in favour of the same individual. The normal expenditure out of income exemption. Gifts can be made from surplus income provided the gift does not affect the donor's usual standard of living and is made on a regular basis. This is a valuable exemption, and keeping record of income and expenses will be key. Essentially, it is possible to make gifts from excess income which can be wholly exempt. So again, looking at an individual's circumstances will be key to determine whether they can use this exemption. Any amount of gifts can also be made to qualifying charities and political parties. Individuals can also consider making gifts to another individual or via a trust. However, they would broadly need to survive 7 years for the gift to fall out of account. Finally, it is worth pointing out that those who have received an inheritance in the last 2 years can also consider entering into a deed of variation. This effectively provides them with an immediate reduction in their own estate. The deed must meet various conditions, so again, advice will be key. Speak to an advisor who can support you with your inheritance tax planning journey.